prefrontal cortex, the brain's control center that shapes your decisions. Have you ever wondered why you can plan for the future, control your emotions, resist temptations, and make smart decisions? The answer lies in one powerful brain area, the prefrontal cortex. In this video, we'll break down the prefrontal cortex using real-life examples so anyone can understand it. What is the prefrontal cortex? The prefrontal cortex is the front part of your brain, located right behind your forehead. Think of it as the CEO of the brain. It doesn't do the physical work, but it plans, decides, controls, and guides everything else. This part of the brain is what makes humans different from animals. Why the prefrontal cortex is so important. The prefrontal cortex helps you think before you act, make long-term decisions, control impulses and urges, focus and pay attention, regulate emotions, solve problems logically. Every time you stop yourself from doing something harmful, your prefrontal cortex is at work. Prefrontal cortex versus emotional brain. Inside your brain, there's a constant conversation. The emotional brain wants comfort, pleasure, and instant reward. The prefrontal cortex wants logic, discipline, and long-term success. When emotions win, decisions become impulsive. When the prefrontal cortex leads, decisions become wise. This balance shapes your life. The role of the prefrontal cortex in self-control. Self-control lives in the prefrontal cortex. It allows you to resist bad habits, delay gratification, stay calm under stress, say no to distractions. When this area is weak or tired, willpower drops. That's why lack of sleep, stress, and overload reduce self-control. Prefrontal cortex and decision-making. Every decision, big or small, passes through the prefrontal cortex. It compares options, it predicts consequences, it chooses the best possible outcome. This is why good decisions take time and focus. How the prefrontal cortex develops. The prefrontal cortex is the last part of the brain to fully develop. It continues growing until your mid to late 20s. That's why teenagers take more risks. Young adults act impulsively. Maturity increases with age. Experience strengthens this brain region. Prefrontal cortex and mental health. When the prefrontal cortex is underactive or overwhelmed, it can lead to anxiety, depression, ADHD, poor emotional regulation. Strengthening this area improves mental clarity and emotional balance. What weakens the prefrontal cortex? Some daily habits silently weaken it. Chronic stress, multitasking, excessive social media, poor sleep, junk food, constant dopamine stimulation. Over time, focus and discipline decline. How to strengthen your prefrontal cortex. Good news, this brain area is trainable. Simple psychology-based methods, meditation and mindfulness, deep focus work, physical exercise, quality sleep, reading and learning, delaying gratification intentionally. Small habits build strong mental control. Prefrontal cortex and success. Successful people don't rely on motivation alone. They rely on a strong prefrontal cortex. It helps them stay disciplined, think long-term, control emotions, build consistency. This is the true foundation of success. Final message. Your life is shaped by the conversations inside your brain. When the prefrontal cortex leads, life becomes intentional. Strengthen this control center and you strengthen your future. Welcome to Psycacademy, where psychology turns knowledge into mental power.